Rome, eternal city, home to 280 fountains, 900 churches, and of course the world-famous Colosseum, and history that leaves us breathless. One of my favorite cities, and I'm here during difficult times as the global pandemic rages on, and Italy has many restrictions. Nonetheless, I want to show you one of the best hotels to stay in here in Rome. There's so many beautiful places to stay in, but I'm going to show you a treasure that I think you will very much enjoy. Hello from the St. Regis Hotel here in Rome, Italy. During some very crazy times in this world, Italy is under certain restrictions. No restaurants are open, and depending on the region that you're in, you cannot have any food at night because everything is closed. So I'm going to be doing a full review of the St. Regis Hotel that I'm staying at. Not all services are available in the hotel, but they will have dinner in their lobby area. Have to eat here, can't eat anywhere else. And of course I will show you the room and give you a full tour of the hotel and all the details of what I'm going to be able to experience here during my dinner tonight, as well as breakfast tomorrow morning before I depart back to the United States. So without further ado, let me give you a full tour of this beautiful hotel. Let's go. The lobby area of the St. Regis Hotel is just breathtaking. The classic decor is unbelievably stunning in my point of view. I don't like classic that much myself, but it's breathtaking. It really is. I feel like I am here 200 years ago and living in this magnificent city. It's really, really stunning. I'm so impressed. I think anybody that walks into this lobby area will definitely agree with me. The views of the stairways are so impressive. Just want to give you a quick glance, but let's take the elevator now so I can show you my room. Well, my friends, it's time to go to eat. I'm filming on purposely with the light in the background so you can see this beautiful chandelier. But I'm gonna have dinner now, and let's see how the food tastes in this hotel. I expect a lot, so hopefully I will not be disappointed, but you'll see the food soon. This is the dining hall. Well, the temporary dining hall because of COVID. This is the only place that is open. I don't know, there's a bar right here. I don't know if there's another restaurant, but I will ask right now. So I think I'm going to have the marinated salmon with zucchini and beetroot veloute for a appetizer. And then of course, being in Rome, I have to eat the rigatoni with amatriciana sauce. It's a specialty down here. So I will start with this. Here we go. This is a balsamic vinegar from Modena, which is of course the best there is. And then look at this olive oil. The color is so deep. Here is the bread. And then let me show you the olive oil. Look at the rich color of this. Only in Italy, my friends. So not to attract too much attention, I'm just going to do this without the flashlight. But let's see how this olive oil tastes. I think you can tell by my expression that the olive oil is outstanding. Well, tonight I'm just going to have the house wine. Cheers. And here we go, my marinated salmon with the zucchini came. Look how fresh the salad looks. The salmon is a little bit buried underneath, but it looks just delicious. Perfect. Very nice. The salmon is strong, but then you have, of course, the sweetness, and has a sweet zest to it. But once you start chewing it, it just dissolves. Very nicely made, very fresh, and of course, it is raw. All right, my amatriciana came. Let's see if I see any guanciale here. Looks good. Not a very big plate, which is just perfect. All right, let's see how this is going to taste. It's very good. It's very good, but it's not out of this world. I've had better in Rome, but it's very good. Okay, well, here we have our dessert. Can you all figure out what this is? Okay, you may have guessed correctly. This is tiramisu. Well, it tastes similar to the one I've tried in the United States. It's okay. I'm not very impressed with it at all, actually. So I was just told that this is the only restaurant. So even during non-COVID times, this is where you will eat. This is where you will dine. This is also where I'm going to eat breakfast tomorrow. And they used to have a different restaurant here. The hotel was renovated 5 years ago. And it used to be, the restaurant that they used to have was called Vivendo. It was a one-star Michelin restaurant, but they did close it. The chef remains the same. I think his name is Donatelli. So the food quality is still phenomenal. I'm not sure it's worth a Michelin star, but the food was good nonetheless. A very nice experience, and can't wait to have breakfast here tomorrow morning. Well, getting back into the room after the dinner, let's see if we have any surprises. Let's see if they made up the room or if they did turned on service, which is not a usual thing during COVID, so let's see. All right, let's see. Well, they were definitely in here because this was not there. So they closed the curtains. Yes. And well, the bed looks the same. Oh, they put some slippers there. Very nice. And there is a little surprise here. What is this? I bet this is chocolate. Let's look at it. I had taken a shower earlier and they cleaned this. So the shower is immaculately clean again. And I meant to tell you earlier, there is a waterfall shower in there, so I got to show you how that works. The toilet has a smoke glass to it, so you can't see if you're with a partner in here. If there's two of you, you can't see if somebody is, well, I guess sitting on the toilet. So that's a good thing that they did a smoke glass. But I want to show you the amenities again. They have really nice things. So there is a St. Regis lip balm, and they have mouthwash, a cleansing milk, detoxing, a face toner, and an intimate cleanser. I've never seen this kind of a lineup in a hotel before, so that's very nicely done. Well, I'm in bed. It seems very comfortable. I think I'm gonna get a good night's sleep, but I'll definitely let you know tomorrow morning when I wake up. So time to get some rest and good night. Well, good morning. We just woke up. I'm still very tired, as you can tell in my face, but I gotta get ready for a flight. I put my bathrobe on. Time to take a shower and then head down and show you what breakfast is all about. But before I do that, let me show you my special slippers that I got here at the St. Regis Hotel. Here you go. Time to go to take a shower. All right, that's enough. Very refreshing, very nice. Anyway, time to get dressed, so gotta go to breakfast. Okay, I'm all ready. We can go to breakfast. Maybe I get lucky and they have my famous Eggs Benedict. If you've been watching any of my previous videos, you know I try Eggs Benedict all over the world, although in Italy, I don't know, we'll see. Let's go. Okay, here we are. Our breakfast menu, somewhat limited I would say, but let's take a look. Cheese. This one is Swiss cheese. They have 3 different kinds here. I love cheese, no matter what cheese it is. Morning, afternoon, evening, anytime I eat cheese. By the way, I am the only person in the restaurant. Okay, I received my Eggs Benedict and it has a ham and white toast. And the sauce, the hollandaise sauce, is actually infused with tartufo. So this should be really, really good. Let's hope. Look at this. Is this just amazing or what? Wow. And the final touch for breakfast.